bumper life back, 2 M3bs, capacitors. We're gonna meter again. Yeah, voltage back 1416, base knob, and I'll reset the meter. Okay, let's get our 42 Hz tone going. Meter's on the headrest still. Alright, here we go. $134.7 on the burp on the headrest. Alright, let's move this. Whoops. Let's move this into this corner now. So that meter's in here. See if we can beat 134.7. $13.71 voltage. Here we go. Looks like we gained about a little under dB. 35.4 in that corner. Alright, and this one will go on the box, and then I'll do a final one in the port. Keep in mind this is 2 M3bs strapped at 4 ohms, so you're just seeing 3 banks of caps. Alright, let's try it again. $140.4. That's on top of the box in that corner, and on the pretty much on the couch, it's around the same. And we'll do one more in the port just for kicks. Let's see what we get. Alright, meters in the port. $140.4 so far. And the caps are at 13 volts after those burps. So here we go. See if we can beat this. You read it correctly, folks. 159.9 in the port at 42 Hertz. Damn, we can get that 160. Alright, I'm gonna take another video and I'll splice and try and splice them together and maybe do a separate one to get that 160 because we are way too close to give up now.